He showed the world profits,
I'm
but
finished.
they were never real. Now, the same people who trusted him are hunting him.
Once I master this, my life will change forever.
In a small town where dreams were bigger than opportunities, lived a young man named Tunde. Like many others, he believed Forex trading was his way out. But the market is
Why is
not
nothing
kind to
working?
the unprepared.
I've watched all the
Day
videos
after
and
day,
did everything
loss
they say.
after loss, Tunde watched his hope slowly disappear. Then one day, he discovered something dangerous. Not a strategy, but a shortcut. A demo account full of profits, and no one to question him. He posted the profits, screenshots, results, lifestyle. And just like that,
If you want results like
the
this,
world
I can help
believed
you
him.
manage your money
Messages
and return
started
50%
pouring
monthly.
in.
Send a DM.
Teach me. Trade for me. I trust you with my money. And Tunde
Turn my $1,000
accepted
to
them all.
$5,000 for me.
But this time, it was no demo. This was real money, real risk, and a market that does not forgive lies.
No, it will reverse. It has to reverse. Please just go back to my entry and I will close the trade.
One trade. Two trades. Everything. Gone. Then came the messages. Where is my money? Answer me now.
have I
You said you were
done?
profitable. The same people who praised him now demanded answers.
I have to leave
Fear
town for a
took
while.
over. Not of the market, but of the consequences. And just like that, Tunde disappeared. The truth is, in Forex, you cannot fake consistency. If you cannot grow your own account, you have no business touching someone else's. Build skill first, or the market will expose you. Learn the right way, stay disciplined, and follow for more real Forex stories.